Hi, I am Monica Zapata. I will be your tour guide for the new place. It will surprise you. Come on, call me you to shout for this beautiful municipality. Okay? Rio Sucio is located in the coffee Ryans and the Paisa Ryans. And in the west of department Caldas, um, is a variance temperature 22 23 degrees Celsius. In history, is history instances because it's the maze of the union of of two to town rivalry to San rival town calle San Sebastián de Chiaralomo and Nuestra Señora Candelaria de la Montaña, which which is with is currently has two shores and two squares. Okay, after the unions, the rivalry continue. Then a party was for the coincidence with the date with the days of three king party, or the magic and the figure on the divals was adopted as a symbols of the carnival, which for the inhabitants uh, which for the inhabitants is a figure of union. They call it the good devils. Okay, is the choosing cities of the municipalities of Rio Sucio are Manizales, Caldas, Pereira and Risaralda, Medellin, Antioquia, and the other towns choose as I went. The main round is the truth of the coffee axis, um, la troncal del eje cafetero. Okay? Transportation. You can wait to Rio Sucio. We beat the following mean of transportation, such as cars, motorcycles, and public transportation. Okay. During your visit to Rio Sucio, you will find London places as hotel, hostel, and camping sites. And camping sites in Rio Sucio, you can eat as the typical food. Remember of the coffee region and mountain area. It must be remembered that the municipality has a lot of agriculture, and the meaning town. Okay. Um, during Ace Day, the residents and visitors wait on various activities such as the parades of the grants or comparsas, sporting events, and the others. Okay. The triumphal entry of the His Majesty's Devil, that this he will give the public his promise that are you of union. Okay. uh, after after 3 days, the devil will be born on the promise given for the new meeting will remain. During this days, the atmosphere is happy. This in the moment, this his magis will return in soldiers. The renown with residents and visitors. Okay. Waiting for you and the next Devil's Carnivals. Thank you very much. Bye bye.